Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Sentiment Analysis and Topic Modeling. What's the mood? What's the gist? Ever wondered how a computer can tell if someone is happy or sad from their words? Or how it can read tons of articles and tell you the main themes without you reading them all? That's what we'll uncover today. We're diving into two super cool AI superpowers: sentiment analysis and topic modeling. Don't worry, we'll break it down piece by piece, just like building with Legos. Assuming you're just starting your AI journey. Imagine you're running a coffee shop, and people leave comments online. Some say, "The coffee is amazing." Others, "The service was slow." Sentiment analysis is like having a super-powered assistant that reads all these comments and tells you if they are asterisk positive, negative, or neutral. It's about figuring out the emotional tone or mood of a piece of text. Is the customer happy, angry, or just stating facts? How does it work? Think of it this way. We teach the computer by showing it lots and lots of examples. We give it thousands of positive reviews and say, "This is positive," and thousands of negative reviews, saying, "This is negative." Over time, the computer learns to spot patterns, specific words, phrases, or even emojis that usually appear in positive or negative text. As a developer, you'd use a special AI tool called a model that has already been taught these patterns. You feed your text into it, and it gives you back a score or a label, like positive or negative. No complex math for you, just using the tool. As a developer, this is incredibly useful. You can integrate a sentiment analysis tool into your app with just a few lines of code to automate customer feedback, instantly sort reviews or support tickets to prioritize urgent negative issues, monitor social media, track what people are saying about your product or brand online in real time, guide product development, see which features users love or hate to guide your next updates, filter emails, identify spam or emotionally charged emails automatically. Now, let's switch gears. Imagine you have a mountain of newspaper articles, blog posts, or emails. Reading them all would take ages. Topic modeling is like having a brilliant librarian who can quickly skim through all of them and tell you, "Okay, these 50 articles are about sports. These 30 are about politics. And these 20 are about technology." It's about discovering the main hidden themes or topics within a large collection of documents without you having to define them beforehand. Here's the magic trick. The computer doesn't understand meaning like we do. Instead, it looks for words that frequently appear together in different documents. If goal, team, and player often show up in the same articles, the computer might group them together and identify that cluster as sports. It's like finding word clicks that hang out together. As a developer, you'd use a topic modeling tool, another model, feed it your collection of documents, and it would output a list of topics, each with a set of associated keywords. You then interpret what those keywords mean as a topic. This is also incredibly powerful for a developer. Content organization. Automatically categorize news articles, research papers, or customer feedback into logical themes. Information discovery. Help users find relevant documents by searching for topics instead of just specific keywords. Trend detection. Spot emerging trends in a massive dataset of online discussions or market research. Recommendation systems. Suggest content or products to users based on topics they've shown interest in. Imagine building an app that summarizes customer feedback by topic. So, we've explored how AI can understand the mood, sentiment analysis, and find the gist. Topic modeling of text. These aren't just cool tricks. They're practical tools you, as a developer, can use right now to make smarter applications. You don't need to be a math genius or an AI scientist. You just need to know how to use the available AI tools and models. The world of AI is open to you. Keep exploring and building amazing things. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.